Sooner or later, we as black people are going to have to accept the bitter fact, which is that the ANC does not care about the improvement of black lives. The ANC only cares about the black elite and keeping the white people comfortable in this country. Ever since the ANC came into government in 1994, the ANC has not even once implemented any policy that was radical enough to instill meaningful transformation to this country. Ever since 1994, the number of squatter camps has increased. Ever since 1994, the level of poverty has increased. And ever since 1994, the level of wealth of the racist whites has increased exponentially. So basically, we are living in a country where for the past 30 to 31 years, the ANC has been keeping black people in poverty, with only a few of them making it and becoming the non-existent middle class. While the majority of black people who are stuck in poverty live in that poverty to the point where they give birth to children who grow up to be more poor than their parents. It is going to be very important for us as African people to accept and come to terms with the fact that the ANC is not a movement that cares about black people. Even Thabo Mbeki at one point asked a question, and his question was, who is our people? When he was referring to the argument that says black people must get back their stolen land. The question that Thabo Mbeki asked proves beyond reasonable doubt that the ANC does not care about black problems. Hence they call themselves non-racial.